Guys, it's your homegirl 𝚙𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘, your one and only Julian Hart. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you and show you how to start your own YouTube channel. The first thing first that we're going to talk about is the camera. A lot of you guys think that you need them big cameras in order for you to open a YouTube channel. No, that's wrong. The first thing that you need in order for you to open a YouTube channel is your phone. Don't worry about these big cameras you'll be seeing other YouTubers use and everything. No, don't worry about them cameras. Just don't worry about it. Take your phone, put your phone somewhere and record, okay? Record. That's the first thing you need to know before you open a YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel but you're still struggling, stop struggling, okay? The second thing that you need to open a YouTube channel, you need lighting. You need lighting. You don't want to be somewhere dark, like it's just not interesting. It's not interesting, you know what I'm saying? Like if you are in the dark, how do you want me to see you? We don't want that. So you need good lighting, and if you don't have money to purchase the lights, use natural lights. Natural lights can never go wrong, okay? Right now I'm using my ring lights, but if you don't have any lights, don't use your house lights because I don't think it will look good. But use natural lights. Record like around 12 going up. So you need natural lights. Don't worry about going to spend your money with them lights, cameras and stuff. No, use what you have right now and then spend your money later on when you already know what you really want. Because some people, they just open a YouTube channel just, you know, for a distraction, or they just open a YouTube channel just for one day and then they quit. So you don't want to spend all your money and you don't even know what you want yet. You don't even know if you really want to stay on YouTube or not. So use what you have for this moment, like right now. Use what you have. The third thing that you need is music. Of course, if you start a YouTube channel, you don't want to start a YouTube channel putting Wizkid's music, Chris Brown, Beyonce, Rihanna, all them, because those music have a copyright, okay? And as a beginner, you don't need any copyrights in your music. I did that long time. When I was dancing, and the time I wanted to monetize my videos, they was like, you have a lot of copyright. So I had to delete some of the video. That's why you guys are asking me, where is the video? Where is this video? Guys, I had to hide some of the video and I had to delete some of the videos that I was dancing to because those copyrights was really strong. And I wanted to monetize my videos, so bye. I have to say bye to those videos. So you don't want the same thing, okay? And I'm sharing this with you because it happened to me. It will happen to you if you think about putting people music in your videos. No, don't do it, okay? Don't do it. As for me, I will show you how I get my free beats and how I just found my free beats on YouTube. If you don't know how to do it, let me show you how to find free music on YouTube. How simple is that? Watch.
So guys, I'll go here on the profile. Of course, you go to your profile and then you go here where it says your channel. Of course, I'm using my mom's email, so that's why you're like, what's going on? What happened to your channel? I'm just showing you guys. And then you're going to go here where it says YouTube Studio. And after that, you see here on your left side, and you're going to go all the way here to the bottom where it says Creator Studio Classic. You will click there and then you're going to say skip. You're going to skip, and then you see here again on your left side, you're going to click here where it says create. And all these, guys, is the free music you can use for your YouTube music background, guys. Like, it's just simple like that. And then you can change these if you want the music if you want the pop music, whatever, jazz, and then you change the mood. If you want it to be calm or dark, dramatic, and all that stuff, you just change. And then for instrument, you can do bass, all this stuff, guys. Just click whatever, and here you can change if you want 30 seconds or 30 seconds to 1 minute. You just click, listen to all the music, and then when you are done, when you already find your own music that you are interested to, is like a beat. When you already find the beat that you're interested to, you click here on this arrow where it says download, and then boom, you download the song, and then you put it in your video background or whatever. Also, they also have sound effects. You can use all this. Is free and you don't have copyright. Okay.
Another thing that you need is your background. Of course, you're like, what you mean my background? Like, what are you seeing behind me? What are you seeing around me? That's what people call background. You don't want to be somewhere that is looking just boring and dark. You want to be somewhere where people are going to be like, what is there? Like, are you not wondering what I put on my shelf? Are you not wondering? I'm like, I'll be watching and I'm like, what is that? You know, have a little flower, you know what I'm saying? Like, have something cute. You just need to have something that is really attractive, something that, you know, people really like to see, you know. Like, you might have even a white background or something shining or just something blank, but it should be cute and clean. If it's cute for you, it's gonna be cute to us, people who will be watching you. Okay, so you need a good background. You don't need to go and start going on Amazon and be like, background for YouTube. No, find somewhere in your house, somewhere cute, just stand there and record your video. Okay, another thing that you need is where to edit. A lot of you guys be struggling with that, and I get a lot of questions, you guys asking me, where can I edit my video? Where can I edit my video? Like, really, how? Yes, guys, I'm not laughing at you guys. Let me tell you, I'm here to help you today. So where you can edit your video, I edit my video on Final Cut Pro. Okay, I edit my video on Final Cut Pro. You have to buy the Final Cut Pro, sis and my brother. You have to buy it. It's like $299. Yes, money. Just like I'm telling you, don't spend your money right now. Don't. You can use other apps that I've been seeing people edit on, like iMovie. All you need to do is to go on App Store, download iMovie. Okay, you will take iMovie, go on YouTube, just search how to edit on iMovie. All you need to know how to cut and how to, you know, put caption. Like, that's basically it. The time I started learning how to edit, oh my god, it was a big headache, and my brother had to help me because he's the one who like be teaching me all this stuff, edit and all that. So I would say shout out to you, my brother Francois. He started getting busy, guys, and I said, you know what, teach me. That's why my YouTube was really slow, you know. So I learned how to edit. Right now I edit my video on Final Cut Pro. Yeah! Which is cute. It's really hard, but not really. It's gonna be hard if you don't focus on what you're doing, you know. But if you focus, it's not really hard. Not really, not at all. So that's where I edit my video. And another thing that you need to know about starting a YouTube channel, you need to have a good profile and a banner. So I have a video that I did showing how I create my YouTube banner, which is something easy you need to learn, and I will leave the video in the description down below so you can go check it out. Make sure you make that banner cute, because people be looking at all that. If I come to your YouTube channel and I see your profile is like something like, I will not even be interested to really go through your video. But if I see something like, you know, something cute, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, something cute, I'll be like, she cute or he cute, you know, and I will go and check out your videos. And if I see on your banner you just have like ugly picture, I'm not saying ugly, but you just have like something that don't make sense, of course I will not check out your YouTube videos. I'll just skip and be like, okay, so. But if it's something cute, people are going to click on your video and look at your channel, okay? They will start looking at your channel, okay? So you need good profile on your YouTube and you need a good banner. And another thing that you guys need to know about YouTube is commenting. You guys, the way you get more people to come to your channel is to comment on other people's YouTube stuff, okay? Let me say you have Nicki Minaj, she just upload a new video, or whoever you follow on YouTube, let me say they have a new video. You just go, you comment something that they said in that video that was funny, or something that really helped you to know. Let me say, for example, this video that I'm doing, let me say you comment and be like, oh, thank you for sharing, I'm going to start my YouTube channel today and right now. Let me say that, for example. Some people, they are just there to read other people's comments. As they are looking at your comments, they are going to see, oh, this is a cute profile. They will click on your name and they will go see your channel. You know what I'm saying? So if you have something ugly, I'm still talking about profile. If you have a bad profile, of course, nobody will come to your YouTube. But if you have a cute profile and then you comment on people's video, I swear, people are going to click on your comments and they are going to check out your channel. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you're commenting on people's video. Don't be like, I'm not gonna comment nothing. Okay, then nobody gonna come to your channel. Simple, easy like that, okay? And another thing that you guys need to know about YouTube is thumbnail. Thumbnail is this picture that you guys see before opening a video. Like if you saw the picture that I posted, this video, if you saw the picture, I bet it's the picture that told you, look, you need to open that video and go check out what she's saying or what she got going on, okay? So you need to have a good thumbnail. I use Fonto to edit my thumbnail and Super X, yes, and Super X to edit my thumbnail. So that's the two apps that I use. But Super X, is it X? Yes, Super X, you need to pay for it. It's not a lie, it's like $4 and something. So right now I'm really investing my money into YouTube because it's something that I want to do. It's something that I love to do, okay? So that's the only thing that you need, okay? Don't go and start spending your money when you know you don't really want to be on YouTube for even 2 days or 4 days. Go and spend your money on something that you really know, this is what I want to do. This is what I really want to do for the rest of my life, okay? So yes, to refresh everything, the thing that you need is your phone to record. You need natural lights, which means lights from outside. You need music, and I showed you guys how to find free music on YouTube. And you need good thumbnail. You need to have a good profile and a good banner on your YouTube. And you need to be commenting on people's YouTube video. Like if somebody just upload a new video, just go and comment, be like, oh yeah, whatever you're saying is true. If they're talking about relationship, thank you for the advice, I really understand you, I'm going to start focusing on my relationship, blah blah blah. So make sure you comment depending on what the person says. Or if somebody says, I need a new YouTube idea, make sure you comment and you give them the new idea that they need. That will help your YouTube channel to grow up, and that's what's been helping me. And boom, I just share my secrets with you. So another thing that I'm going to talk about is consistency. Oh my god, this word has been so hard. I had to practice this word, which means you need to be really uploading videos like every week. Not really. Don't feel like you need to go and stand down. Hey baby, Don't feel like you need to stand. Don't feel like you need to upload videos all the time. No. Come. I'm babysitting. My baby just woke up. So don't feel like you need to upload videos. Sorry, baby. You okay? You okay? Keep sleeping. So don't feel like you need to upload videos every single week. No. You can upload video after 2 weeks, after 3 weeks. But as long as your video really makes sense, trust me, you're going to be successful. So consistency is what's really be going on here on YouTube. And don't be feeling like, oh my god, I don't have anything to post, I don't have an idea. Tell them I don't have an idea. Just think about something and make it interesting. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, share to your friends, to everybody, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.